Hello friends, there was a recent news which was published which says India imposes anti-dumping duty on stainless tube imports from China. Now here are some more details, and it says India has imposed an anti-dumping duty on stainless steel seamless tubes and pipes imports from China for a period of 5 years. And this is basically to motivate the domestic industry which are manufacturing these steel pipes in India as well. Now usually we do not look for buying opportunities because of the news, because news are generally temporary, but this kind of news, this is kind of a policy change which is a long-term policy change, and the period here to notice is 5 years. And this kind of similar thing happened in the chemical sector as well, wherein China imposed some restrictions or changed some policies, wherein the companies producing chemicals in China got impacted, because of which you saw a huge bull run in the chemical sector in India. I think this is a similar thing which is happening for the steel tube sector. Now let's talk about the shares which can benefit out of this policy. First share is APL Apollo tubes, and you can see the 6 months return has been 26%, 1 year return has been around 5.27%, and if I look at 5-year return, it has provided very good return of 430% to its shareholder. So I generally do not like metal sector. When I say metal sector, I mean core metal sector, but the companies which are using those metal as a raw material and then producing their own products, which in this case is steel pipes, etc., those are the companies which you can still think about because they have the pricing power. And here you can see that the company produces 1500 varieties of MS black pipes, galvanized tubes, pre-galvanized tubes, ERW steel tubes, hollow sections to serve industry application like urban infrastructure, housing, irrigation, solar plants, greenhouse and engineering. And one more thing to notice here is that this company has 50% market share in this steel pipe sector, which is a very good thing in terms of business for any company. Now I am at the P&L of APL Apollo, and you'll see that the sales has been continuously increasing. If we look at sales, you can see it's increasing by a good percentage, around 36% in 2018, 34% in 2019. Then there was a dip for 2 years, and then March 2022 again you see an increasing by 54%, and for the 12 trailing months also it is increasing. And similarly the operating profit also, you'll see that it was 371 in 2018, it increased to 393, then 478, then 679, then 946, and it is now close to 900 for the 12 trailing months. And if you look at the return profile, you'll see that company is giving good returns as well. If you look at the sales growth, it's in double digit, about 20%, and the profit compounding has also been good. Only the 12 trailing months we see a problem, and the stock CAGR compounding has also been very good, plus the return on equity is also about 20%. So a good company in the steel pipe sector with a market share of 50% and which has provided very good returns to its shareholders. So this is one company which should benefit more out of this policy which the government has made, although without the policy also this company is doing very great. Another company which I think can benefit out of this policy is Venus Pipes and Tubes, because you can see that this company manufactures and exports stainless steel pipes and tubes. This company is a small cap company but has been doing very good in terms of its profit. Let's look at its profit. I'm at the P&L of the company, and you can see that the sales, which was 119 2019, it increased to 178, then 309, then 387, and now for the 12 trailing month it is around 456. And you can see the increase in the sales growth as well, and similarly an increase in operating profit, which was only 8 crore in 2019, that it increased to 12, then to 35, it was doubled, then to around 50, now it is 57 for the 12 trailing month. And here you can see the profit growth in 3 years, it has compounded by 104% in terms of profit, and the sales growth has also been very good. So this is a small company which in my opinion should benefit from this policy in the period of 5 years. So if somebody wants to play on this news and stay invested for 5 years in this company, you can do that, but do keep an eye on the results of this company. One more company which I think should benefit from this policy is Hariom Pipe Industries. This also is a very small company, it is even smaller than Venus Pipes, but its business is also similar. It is into the pipe business and it manufactures mild steel pipes and tubes. You can see it has a strong hold in the South Indian market. You can see the market cap is just 878 crores. In the pros, you can see that the company has delivered very good profit CAGR of 80% last 5 years. And the return on equity has also been very good, about 25%, which is 28.6. And for this company also, you can see I'm at the P&L, and if you look at the operating profit, you'll see that the profit in 2017 was 7 crores, that increased to 15, then 17, then 23, 34, 56, and now for the 12 trailing month it is around 63. So you can see how quickly this company is increasing its profit, because it's a small company, so small company does not take too much time to increase their profits. If you want to invest in this company, then you should distribute your money more into the market leader, which is Apollo Pipe in this case, then to Venus Pipe, and then to Hariom Pipes, because Hariom Pipe is the smallest company. So for example, if you have allocated 1 lakh rupee that you need to invest in this sector, then 70% you can give to APL Apollo, 20% to Venus Pipe, and 10% to Hariom Pipes. But do your own research before you make any investment, and invest for 5 years. Within these 5 years there will be a lot of ups and downs, but you need to hold these shares in order to get good returns out of this company. So that's it in this video. If you like the video, then do hit the like and subscribe button, or if you have any suggestion, then please feel free to mention it in the comment box. Thank you.